Hey guys, this is Sam from Ghlsaaskits, and in this video I'm going to show you how we can create a read more button to show more content on our GoHighLevel page. Okay, so sometimes it's required because the content may be a little bit bigger than we want to show on our page. So in that case we need to have this type of read more button to show the content and hide some of the part. Okay, so let me click on that button, read more. Okay, you can see once we clicked, this content appear, and the same for this one. Yeah, you can see. And if we click the read less, then the content disappear again. Okay, so this is very helpful tools and script uh, for this type of use case. Okay, so we are going to see how we can add this type of things on our GoHighLevel page. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, let me. Okay, here is the fully blank and new GoHighLevel page builder. Okay, if you are not familiar with this builder, then just go to your settings from the dashboard and scroll a bit down, and you will find a navigation menu called labs, and from there you will able to just activate your new builder. Okay, so the code is actually not based on the builder. It will work the same way for the classic builder as well as the new page builder. Okay, so I'm going to show you how we can use this on the new builder. Okay, so first of all we will take a one column row section. Okay, here's a section, and we will add a one column row where we'll add our headline, and then we add, let me make it a little bit background so that it looks good. Okay, so I have the background now, and now I'm going to add a two column row where on the first column I will put an image, then a paragraph. We can put any content. Okay, so let me put another paragraph, make it a, okay, make it left align. Okay, and the font is a little bit bigger, let's say it's 18 pixel, and then we will work on this and add some more content. Let me make it left align again for this content and increase the font size. Also I will put some margin top for this second content. Okay, so we will add the read more. Okay, here. Okay, so this portion of this text will appear once we clicked on the read more. The same way I'm going to do another section. Okay, it's not recommended to copy paste the content from one column to another. Yeah, because sometimes it may able to create conflict. That's why I always recommend you to not do this. Okay, then I will add another content paragraph. So this time I will copy and paste it, and then I will increase the font size again like before, and then I will put a little bit margin top. Okay, now we are good to go. Okay, we are not going to change the image. You can use your own image, so that's not a big deal. Let me make it left align again. That's it. So now we need to add two button. Okay, so the first button is our read more button. Okay, we will redesign this. Let me make it white background with black text. Okay, black text, and then I will say read more. Okay, and then I will add an icon here. So you should use this one, the icon picker, after. Okay, so after the text the icon will be visible. Okay, so arrow, Now select the arrow you want to use. So for the read more, we will use this arrow, okay, and then we'll make it left align. Also for the padding, okay, we will change it to 5 pixel left, 5 pixel right, okay, and also a little bit margin top and bottom. Okay, so same way we will add another button, okay, so this time it's read less, like this one, okay, read less. We'll make this, okay, so same design, okay, so it's white background with black text, okay, button align left, text color black, and then we will say read less. Again we will add an icon, okay, so arrow. So this arrow will be the just the opposite of previous arrow, okay, so this one. And same way we will change the padding, like left padding 5 pixel, right padding 5 pixel, okay, so this one fine. Now we are going to work on the second column, okay. For the first button, which is our read more, we'll change the color, okay, it's white color, and then left align, and the black font we will say it read more, and then we'll put the icon, this is arrow, so this one. Again let me make it padding 5 pixel left and right. Same way we will add another button, white color background, left align, black font, as well as it less, and then the icon, okay, so the icon, arrow icon, this one, okay, and I think need to make it left padding and right padding 5 pixels. So we are good to go now. And now we need to use the script, okay, the code snippet, as well as we will replace the CSS ID for this content as well as the button, okay. So let me grab the code first. Okay, so into our GHL Code members area, okay, when you buy the GHL code snippet, you will find this code with all the instructions as well as the video tutorial, okay. So let me go back to the page. Where is it? We will add the code right under the content, okay. So let me work with the first one first. So we need to add code, and then we need to put the code here, okay. So the code is here. Now we need to replace the CSS ID. So first of all, we need to grab the CSS ID for this one, okay. So if you can see, when you click advanced, if it's not showing the CSS ID, okay, then all you need to save it first and then just reload the editor, okay. Sometimes it happens with the new builder, okay. So I'm going to reload this builder, okay. Browser reloaded. So if we click now on the content, then it will show the advanced tab and also the CSS selector, okay. So this is the CSS selector we need to use. So let me grab it. Okay, so for the first selector, we need to replace the paragraph selector, okay. So here is the paragraph. Just replace this and make sure you just remove this pound sign, okay, and then save. Go back to the read more button, advanced tab, and again copy this CSS selector, go back to your code. Okay, so and the second one is our read more selector. Okay, then again make sure you delete the pound sign. Okay, and for the last time we are going to get the CSS ID for the read less button. Again we are going to edit this and replace the button ID, remove this pound sign, and now we are good to go. Okay, so the same way we need to do this. Okay, so we have the instruction. If you want to use this for multiple pages, then we have the instruction for the single content. Okay, for the single content this is the instruction, and for the multiple content here's the instruction. We have the text instruction as well as the video tutorial. Okay, so now go back to the builder and copy. Okay, so I'm going to copy the code first. Okay, I'm going to copy the code and then I'm going to put it here. So the code, where is it? Yeah, here is it in the code, and then copy the code. Okay, so one more thing we need to do. Everywhere it say 1, we need to make 2. Okay, so because we need to make the code unique to work with the multiple content. Okay, otherwise it will not work, it will make conflict with each other. Okay, so always just need to replace the number. Where is this 1? You can replace with anything else if you like, but for simplicity I think 1, 2, 3, this type of things is fine. Okay, so we are going to do this one by one. Got it. Okay, so everything is fine. Now we need to grab the CSS ID for the content and buttons. Okay, so for this one, here is the content ID. This one, first one, we just need to replace that. Again, grab the ID for your read more button, go back to the editor and then add it here. Make sure you delete the pound sign. Okay, this is very important, otherwise it will not work. Okay, so for the last time we are going to add another CSS ID. Okay, so ID added. Now the code is fine. Okay, so you don't need to make any other changes on the code. All you just need to replace your CSS ID for the content and buttons, and then if you want to use for multiple content, then you need to change the function names. Okay, the declaration names. And then one more thing, this is the last thing we need to do. So go to the layers and then click page. You will see all the section you have on your page. Okay, in my case I have 2 sections. So 2 sections with 2 columns. For the first column we have a second paragraph which we want to hide from the default view. Okay, and for the less button, okay, read less button, we want to hide that. And for the second column we also want to hide the second paragraph as well as read less button. Okay, now let me save it and then we will preview. If everything goes well, then it should work properly. Okay, let me preview this. Okay, so everything looks good. Let me click. You can see here the read less button came and it's working fine. If you click here, it's also working. So this way you can create the read more and read less button for your pages. Okay, so I think you get the idea how we can do this. If you find this video helpful, then feel free to like, comment and share this video with your friends, and also don't forget to subscribe our channel. because we are making so many different type of code snippet, especially for GoHighLevel, to make things simple and more functional. Okay, so have a nice day, and again, thank you very much for watching this video.